Tears fall like rain on the altar of pain. I see this world chasing fortune and fame. Hearts grown cold, deaf to the call, blind to the signs, yet you still see all. I see your sorrow, your weary breath. You hide behind screens and flirt with death. The earth groans beneath war and quake, yet still you sleep. Will you not awake? But I weep with you, I cry with flame, calling my people back to my name. Return to me, beloved one. The hour is late, the shaking has begun. The sun grows dark, the river's dry. Still I reach with nail-scarred hands from the sky. Return to me before the final storm, before the trumpet sounds and judgment is born. Nations rise, kingdoms fall, rumors of war echo through it all. Earthquakes beneath cities that sleep, blood in the moonlight, will you still not weep? Nations rise, kingdoms fall, rumors of war echo through it all. Earthquakes beneath cities that sleep, blood in the moonlight, will you still not weep? I cry for the children lost in the tide, for families broken, for dreams that died. I stand in the breach, I blow the horn. Awake, oh sleeper, your soul is torn. I walk through fire to call you mine, drank the cup outside of time. Even now though tears still fall, I wait for you, I've paid it all. Return to me, I'm calling still. The prophecies rise and the earth stands still, as in the days of Noah's cry. So too now the end draws nigh. Return to me before the sky is rolled. Let not your love grow tired or cold. Echo beneath. Tears fall like rain, but hope remains. He's coming back with fire and rains. Let all who hear prepare the way. The King is near, repent, obey. Return to me.